Welcome back. Ashley Hudgens is with the Desert Water Agency. Today we are talking about toilets and the water that a toilet can waste. Of course, that's important because of our current extended drought. Thanks to have you here.
Thank you. Yes, we typically point you outside to curb water waste, but toilets are one of the biggest wasters indoors.
Yeah.
And leaky toilets are tricky because when a faucet's leaking or your shower, typically you can see or hear that. With a toilet, that's not always the case.
And you might not know if you've got a leaky toilet. You were saying that there's an easy test that you can actually do and find out if you've got a toilet that's leaking and wasting water.
That's right. You only need one supply, and you probably already have it. That's food coloring. So take that food coloring into the bathroom. Take the tank lid off. That's the rectangular piece in the back. And then put 10 drops of food coloring in the tank.
In the clean water area.
In the clean water area where all the apparatus are.
Sure.
And then leave it. Don't flush it. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and then come back and lift the seat and look in the bowl of the toilet. And if the food coloring has made its way into the bowl, then you have a leak.
Oh, that's an easy way to find out. Now, interesting photo I want to show you here because I had a leak. I could hear the toilet once in a while coming on and off, and so I actually did the right thing, and I had to call a plumber. I was going to do it myself, but in the end, a plumber had to. But I've got a new toilet right there. I could hear the leak, but you're saying you don't always
hear the leak, but you can hear a running toilet sometimes, and that can waste about 300 gallons a day.
Wow. That's a lot. And during the drought, you take 300 gallons from one home, another home with multiple toilets.
It all adds up.
Yeah.
And not only do we care about leaky toilets, but also efficient toilets. So not only did you save by getting rid of the leaky one, but you probably went to a lower gallon per flush toilet. So you may have gone from a 3 gallon per flush or 1.6 down to what the new standard is, which is 1.28.
Yeah, and it seems like all the toilets at the store were all on that new level, and they still do the job. So that's what's kind of amazing about it. So you save water with the flushing, but then that's an easy test. Just some food coloring in the tank and you're good to go. So
do it a couple times a year. The kids love it. It's really easy and fun to do.
Call it a Saturday afternoon science experiment and get them into saving water. If you find out, you can find out more. I'm seeing here cvwatercounts.com. What can people do there?
People can check out the rebates that are available to them. Not everyone has the same rebates. For DWA customers, it's $100 per toilet, up to 2 toilets per household.
Okay, so that's a good deal and save a little money in the process, get a nicer toilet in there. Also, dwa.org/rebates, another option.
Yes, that's for our customers to go on there. They can fill out the application online or at our offices. It's very simple, and you get your check just a month later. Okay, well, good stuff. Thank you so much, Ashley, for joining us. If you want to find out more, again, check it out there, dwa.org/rebates, and save water during our drought. Very important information. Thanks for being here with us today. Thank you for having me.
Your top stories are coming up next. You're watching the Desert's News Leader. Stay tuned.